New at noon, Republicans in the Monroe County Legislature are trying to force Dr. Michael Mendoza from his role as the Public Health Commissioner. That, according to County Executive Adam Bello and members of the Democratic caucus, who held a press conference late this morning. Allie Peters was there and joins us live with more. Allie, what do they allege here?
Well, Mark, this proposed legislation would force Dr. Michael Mendoza from his position as Public Health Commissioner, along with numerous other county employees. County Executive Adam Bello said this legislation should have never seen the light of day, and now he is calling on the community to take a stand. The new legislation was submitted last week by Monroe County Legislature Republican leader Steve Brew and his supermajority partner Vince Felder. Bello said today the legislation would prevent outside employment by county employees in the management and professional classification, which would impact numerous county employees, of course, including Dr. Michael Mendoza. Mendoza said he would either have to step down as Public Health Commissioner or give up his medical board certification, something he said he isn't willing to do. Now, this isn't the only thing Democrats were upset about. They say the legislation would also prevent the public disclosure of ethics violations from the county ethics board. Bello said this would keep findings of sexual harassment, like those found against legislator Ernest Flagler Mitchell, from being made public, and would even impose a fine for those who didn't follow this rule. Bello said the legislation was an attack on county employees and those who come forward with sexual abuse allegations.
What you have here is a piece of legislation that sounds good because it's called ethics reform. But you also have a piece of legislation that's jeopardizing the members of our public health department, that's jeopardizing income that our staff is earning across the board. And we also have a piece of legislation that was so poorly written, intentionally or not, that would literally cover up ethics investigations into lawmakers.
Now, Flagler Mitchell did temporarily step back from his position with the Black and Asian Caucus last month. Officials with the district attorney's office say they are not going to pursue criminal charges against him. Live in Rochester, Allie Peters, News 8.
Allie, thank you. We should note no response yet from Republicans about this. The legislation will be discussed at a committee meeting next Monday. It could be voted on in September. County Executive Bello says he will veto the bill if it reaches his desk.